Okay, so here we are just to discuss the weekly maintenance schedule for VirusKiller for the VK401. The removable filter tray pack in the top, you'll see this one has been in use for the past week or two, and we've got some debris building up on the pre-filter screen on the front. It is not necessary to unpack all of the filters out of the tray. You can simply take your vacuum cleaner, ideally a HEPA vacuum cleaner, so whatever the exhaust coming out of the vacuum is filtered, or you could do this outside, is just to run your vacuum over the front of this and get all of that loose particulate off the front of the pre-filter itself. Now, with the upgrade that we're doing on the VK401s, we're actually removing all of the filter tray pack that is inside of these units. The pre-filter is a reusable part. That is what is vacuumed off and we're going to be reusing. Carbon filters that were previously in the VK401 are now removed. We are not using these carbon filters anymore. There's additional carbon filtration within the unit itself in two different locations. The manufacturer has increased the thickness of the HEPA filter from 20 millimeter to 25 millimeter. As such, when I'm reassembling this unit, I'm going to be taking the new 25 millimeter filter, simply putting it on the back behind the pre-filter. You'll note on the filter here there is no arrows that they've put on these. It is best to either leave the filter in the tray so you're not changing the direction on the filter, or put a marking on the filter itself or which way you're indicating the airflow is going to go, whatever is consistent for you. Otherwise, during your normal weekly maintenance process, it would be perfectly fine and acceptable to leave those two components in the tray and again just vacuum off your pre-filter screen and slide it back in. So filter cleaning on a weekly basis. Pull out the tray with the upgrades on the filter pack. You've only got two pieces in there. You don't need to pull them out. Pull them out if you want, but you don't need to. Vacuuming off the front and putting the unit back in to the VK401, and you're good to go again.